Hi, Dr. Q here from Star Nursery. Now that we're well into our spring season, here are some good gardening tips for you to think about. There's still time to plant all kinds of annual and perennial flowers for spring and summer color. You can set out ground covers like gazania, ice plant, hearts and flowers, verbena, or Australian racer. After planting, use a pre-emergent weed control like preen to prevent weed seeds from growing up through your plants. If worms or caterpillars are eating holes in your flower or vegetable leaves, treat them with BT worm killer. Now is also a good time to apply organic mulch on the surface of your vegetable and flower beds and around trees and shrubs. Lawns should be prepared for the hot summer months as well. Continue overseeding as needed and fertilize to get them in good shape before the heat comes. The best time to water is between the hours of 3 and 6 a.m., the coolest part of the day. And as the temperatures rise, keep fescue lawns to a height of 2.5 to 3 inches tall to help shade the roots during the hot summer months. Before the real heat gets here, be sure to inspect your irrigation system to make sure your plants are getting proper watering. If you don't, your plants will let you know, but it may be too late by then. Treat wild unwanted Bermuda grass by letting it grow nice and lush with new growth and then spraying it with a non-selective weed killer like Roundup or Remuda. Just remember to keep these herbicides off of desired plant foliage. It will kill anything if you spray it on its leaves. Keep a sharp eye out for insects and manage these pests with insecticides or organic controls before they develop into large colonies that can harm your plants. Paint the trunks of fruit trees and other soft bark trees with white water-based latex paint or use tree wrap to protect them from sunburn and help prevent borers. Now is also a good time to do light pruning on low water use plants to reduce stress from overgrown foliage and seed pods. For more helpful hints, get a free copy of our gardening calendar, Star Note number 100, at starnursery.com or the Star Nursery app for your smartphone. And don't forget, we make house calls. Call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. I'm Dr. Q, and I'll see you next week.